When you lift up the bench for the dining table, then
Sure.
he just nestled right in that little.
Until he turned 18, and then we couldn't shove him in there anymore.
Yeah, that's right.
It's fine.
I mean, we could legally shove him in there.
Okay.
Right, that was the problem. Oh, yes, darling. You've got fingers out.
I wonder if we have another gift.
I do have another gift. Yeah.
DieHarv?
Should we do that?
We should.
You go grab it. I'll tell all the story. All right. This is for our dear friend. Wait, actually, yeah, go ahead, get it.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Just spin, darling, and walk out. I would be afraid she's never coming back, but there's no light back there. Or audience. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my favorite one. All right, we're going to say the name of this one together. You're fine. You're now part of the set.
I don't want to blend in.
Yeah, no, not that far up. This is for our good friend. Yes.
I don't know who. I do know who.
You remember who?
Obviously.
Our good friend that we always we laugh with, and we have to brace ourselves.
Paige.
What?
Oh. Paige.
Paige. Yeah.
Paige. There she is.
Oh, Paige is here, darling.
I see.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This is Paige.
This is Paige Wanamaker, and she is one of our dearest diehards.
Yes.
Darling, thank you so much.
Paige.
Welcome.
Oh, we're so good. Paige is one of our most loyal of the diehards. Yes.
What can I say?
How many shows have you been to?
Like 10,000.
I know, right?
Which we've done that many.
She follows us in a little Yugo that she has just broke the bottom out of, and she just scoots her feet along the road.
I just tie it up to tuck her.
That's right.
That's true.
That's right. We make Lady Bird push the whole thing.
Yep.
And we met in Wendover. You were a juggler.
Well, yeah. It's kind of a hidden talent. Yeah.
It is not hidden. Get me some glass. No. I hate
Set
to
them
make
on
people
fire.
work. Yeah, I hate to make people work when they're on vacation.
Tonight,
Yes.
you know.
That's true. She's not on duty there.
All right.
But we got.
Remember this?
We got
Look what we
it.
found. I know.
Yeah, I know.
Watch.
Isn't that remarkable, ladies and gentlemen?
Remember?
Wow.
We were at the Denny's in Vermont, Arizona, and you remember that?
Of course you do.
Yesterday.
Yes.
Right. And you were best friends with the waitress whose name was
Sherry.
Sherry, and which was also her drink of choice. And
At 9 in the morning.
and she came stumbling in, and she tipped over and chipped her tooth.
Yeah.
But you were right there, and magically, this amazing woman performed oral surgery in a Denny's in Vermont, Arizona.
And with
Fork.
With
Don't
fork.
forget the fork.
Well, the fork's still in there. Yeah, you lost it.
As part of the braces that she fashioned with sugar packets and a fork. Yeah.
If you need braces,
Paige's Braces is her website.
Paige's Braces. That's right. In fact, we also had another gift. We wrote a jingle for your website. For Paige's Braces.
right, I forgot about that.
Yeah. So we thought we'd perform that.
We'd give that to you.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah.
We'll do that.
Should we do that now?
Paige,
Okay.
thank you so
Paige,
much. Let's give her a big hand. Paige
Paige Wanamaker. Paige Wanamaker.
Yes. Okay, great.
Yep.
I like how the more we just call people up, the less the audience is clapping. How many more have they got?
How many more gifts have we got? Paige's Braces.
I'm still in disco. Which isn't
That's
a
the
thing.
name of his autobiography. Still in disco. The Harvey Sugarbaker story. So this would be a jingle.
I'm
Okay.
darling. I know.
Forgive me.
If you there it is.
Yeah.
If you need braces in no.
We just wrote it this morning, so.
There it is. If you need braces in there we go. If you need braces in a flash, call Paige and she'll fix you up. That was just the first verse, the bad one. But the good one is coming.
If your teeth have too much space, call on Paige and she'll fix your face.
Yes! If you are ugly and it's the truth, call on Paige and she'll fix that tooth.
Oh,
Yours.
right. If you're having trouble finding a mate, call on Paige, she'll make your teeth real straight.
No. You guys, that's enough.
That's
Great, thank you. Thank you so much. Paige, thank you so much.
Paige is
You
great.
can have those royalty free.
Yes.
For